Hello crafty friends, and a very happy 2023 to you. Today I wanted to share what's inside a Christmas goody box from hunkydory.com. When you open your box, the first thing you see is that voucher that gives you 10% off any purchases during December. Now let's look at all the goodies that are included in the £25 box. So you saw there we had some Christmas coloured pearls in various sizes. Then we got this really cute little elf stamp set, and they're on photopolymer, not acrylic. They also thrown in a bonus die, and you can see it's a little M. We also have a pack of glue dots, and then we have a 6x6 paper pad, and it is stunning. The images are really lovely, and you'll see that the back side of pages reflect the same colours and often the background patterns that you see on the images that they go with. And they're just absolutely beautiful, the patterns and the images in the kit. They are very much traditional Christmas images, but with a very modern modern take on a traditional theme. Love these Moroccan inspired backgrounds that they use on a lot of the papers as well. And the colours are just gorgeous. Really sort of vibrant, rich jewel tones, but still with the greens and reds of Christmas. And the images are just glorious. They're absolutely beautiful. And the pattern paper on the backgrounds, like I said, often matches nicely to either the pattern paper on the back of the pattern paper in the background of the images, or is complementary to the design. That's a beautiful little dove of peace, and the angel there is glorious. And you get multiple images, copies of the same images, so that means that you can make multiple of the same card or project, or you can fussy cut them and decoupage them as well. Now this is a duo design paper pad, so when you go through the pad in one direction you'll get one set of designs, and then when you go from the back or the other end of the paper pad you're going to get the reverse or other side of images. So as I'm going through, I'm trying to show you both sides of the patterned paper pad. And this paper pad is an 8x8 paper pad, so nice large pad. Now the images in here, some of, you can see quite clearly, like the Christmas trees could be great to match back with the Christmas theme, but a lot of the pages don't have to specifically just be related to Christmas. And the colours included, while there are lots of reds and greens, there are other colours that reflect those beautiful jewel tones we saw in the previous 6x6 paper pack. So I think it's a really versatile paper pad because it's not one that you solely have to use for Christmas. That's another lovely check there, or plaid. And you can see as I'm going through that each of the colourways has on the back side a coordinating paper to go with the papers. Love that blue colour they've got there, this teal, azure blue, and that green one, that one's so pretty as well. I love a lot of the background papers there. So that's lovely, and I'm just showing a little bit of a flick through how you can see how the images in the small pack, the Peace on Earth pack, go really nicely with the duo design. So next out of the box I have got a topper set. So this topper collection, I think that's what they call it, contains 3 pieces of card. The first piece is really lovely thick cardstock that has all your press out images that you can use for your ephemera or as your toppers. And then you get 2 other sheets of paper. One has foiling on it and the other will be a background paper without foiling. And I'm just showing you there the really cute polar bears and that lovely teal foiling that you get on that kit. So in this box we have more of these topper collections, and I won't pull them all out, but I'm just trying to show you there. There you've got a hairy cow, and it's got lots of lovely images and cardstock to go with it. That beautiful or really cool retro VW van to go camping in at Christmas time. That's pretty cool as well. And then this one is a little bit more traditional with your snowy scene in the country at Christmas. And this one is one of their decollage kits. So you pop out all those images, and then you take your images or the pieces and you pop them up on foam squares. And as you do that, you create this really dimensional image. And I was just checking there what the paper was inside, so you get all the sheets you need in order to layer up, and then a background piece of cardstock as well. Now this is a stitching die, so you could use it as a stitching die, but you could also use it in other ways as well. This is a large die set and has lots of complementary pieces, giving you options as to how you use it. So that is really great. Next out of our box is this giant pack of luxury toppers. So it's called a luxury topper collection with our foiled and die cut toppers, our accent foiled cardstock, and then our image cardstock. And this is beautiful thick cardstock in all of these topper sets. With every collection, you'll get an inspiration guide giving you ideas of how you can use it, and they have lots online as well. Now let's go through and have a look at some of the toppers themselves. So you'll get a topper set, and then you'll get coordinating foiled cardstock as well as matching non-foiled cardstock. And this is their specialty engraved foiling on that set of toppers on that last one we just saw. And this kit also has a set of tags, and that's really cute and can be used in lots of ways as well. There you can see Santa. I love this deco lady and her very elegant family. That's gorgeous set. And our choir singing to us. And next, this lovely image, a very cute image of the puppies and the mailbox. We've got our angels singing. Gorgeous colours again, always high quality foiling on the products. So you'll find that we'll have a piece of foiled cardstock and a printed cardstock that matches back to each of the topper sets. So it gives you the ability to make a lot of cards and have lots of options to make other types of projects as well, not just cards. So I'm just showing you there how nicely the topper sets match back with the two pieces of cardstock that each of the topper set has to coordinate with it. And I'll just give a little bit of a flick through of all the other cardstocks we have, and the detailing on the foiling is just stunning, really stunning. And they've put a lot of detail into each and every piece of cardstock that you get in this luxury topper collection. It really is a stunning collection. And there's our tags again there, and there's our choir. So last one there, we've got our very elegant ladies and her family, and matching cardstock there. So I'll stack all that back up, and we'll have a look at our last item in store for us. So the last item in our box is a set of matching card inserts for the Christmas Traditions luxury topper. And I love that the Hunkydory team has deliberately made sure that the inserts we get match to the luxury topper collection that we get. So here we are. I'll just have a little bit of a show there of the images, and you can see they're just softly muted or toned down images of the cardstock from the collection, and they really do give a beautiful finish to the inside of your cards. So I think that was well worth the £25 that the box costs. So much more was included in the box than you would have thought. And I know I'll look forward to using those in the future. Until next time, bye bye for now.